Good morning, students. In our last session, we discussed about various types of descriptive studies in which a researcher is expected to find out how differently the variables are related so as to understand the educational phenomena. But all these types may not help the researcher to establish a stable relationship among variables in research work. So it is only through causal relationships that such relationships can be meaningfully understood or interpreted. In order to study the causal relationship between the chosen variables by the researcher, he or she has to keep a check on other variables which may affect the relationship studied. So the way a researcher checks the influence of other variables is known as control. By applying control, a systematic and logical association between manipulated factors and established effects can be established. So how the hypotheses are retained or rejected in the light of controlled variables. The answer to such questions can be found by a step understanding experimental research, which provides for control and therefore establishes a systematic and logical association between manipulated variables and observed effects. So in this session, let's discuss characteristics of experimental research in detail or components.